Hi, I'm Cindy, one of the GetSetup guides. I'm going to be hosting a class on how to play games remotely with your grandkids. During the height of the coronavirus restrictions, everyone has been ordered to stay inside in order to slow the spread of the novel coronavirus. Now, even with some states slowly reopening, schools remain closed and gatherings are still banned in most places, and kids are cut off from one another and they're bored. They're also separated from grandparents and other high-risk loved ones because social distancing is one of the few tools available to help slow the spread of COVID-19. In this class, we'll explore various games that you can play with your grandchildren remotely, whether it be by using FaceTime for real-time gameplay or using one of many apps available for playing over a period of time. Each class will highlight a specific game and how to play it remotely. If you have grandchildren that you haven't been able to see in a while, join the class and let's discover games we can play with our grandchildren remotely.